What you doing?
What is it?
Cool. Anybody else you want to thank for your present?
Thank you, Popo. I love you. Next time when you see me, I will play with you when you come to my house. I love you. Bye.
Is he gonna play with you in this toy? You think he fits? Yeah? Oh, let's get this out the way. What does that one do? Oh, wow. It's like magic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. And then you... What's next? You jump on it?
There you go.
Oh. Oh, where's Kayleni?
This is awesome. Awesome.
You can watch movies in there.
Yeah.
Take your pillow.
That is awesome. And I can put in like a little blanket right here. And then this is like the garage and stuff.
Oh,
and
yeah?
then you just go like this. And then this is the door. And then you take this out. And then you put it. And then you go in.
I totally agree.
Done. We have to.